Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 15-minute full body workout using a light to medium set of dumbbells. I'll be using 5-pound weights, so grab yours and we will get this party started. All right, grab your set of weights, walk your feet wider than your hips, toes turn out slightly. We take a sumo squat down. We bicep curl up, overhead press, bend the elbows lower. So it's squat, bicep curl, shoulder press. Keep it going, y'all. And rest. Awesome job, you guys. Bring your feet parallel, hip width apart. You're gonna lunge back onto your left leg, arms press up to a 90-degree bend, and then you push into your supporting right leg as you lift that left knee up and drive your elbows back. Here we go. Take a breather. All right, you guys, we're heading back into that lunge. So left foot back, right foot front. You take a lunge down. You hammer curl at the top as your legs extend. So we're working low body and upper body all together. Here we go. And rest. All right, both of those exercises on side two. So feet go hip width apart. This time the right foot lunges back. Press your arms into that box and then drive the elbows back as you push into your supporting left leg and find that lift at the top. Let's go. All right, meet me back in that lunge, you guys. We're gonna find that bicep curl this time with the palms facing away from the body. So you're gonna curl as you lower and then extend everything at the top this time. Really pushing into that back thigh and squeezing those biceps at the top.
All I wanna
take a rest. All right, you guys, moving into some strict upper body work. We're gonna take a fly forward, straight out from the shoulders, and then a little fly out on a diagonal. So you're creating that little V shape. So you have two, one straight to the front, shoulders are down, and then out to that corner. Try not to sway your upper body. All right, moving into some tricep and upper back work. Hinge forward from the waist. You're going to drive those elbows up. You're going to extend the arms straight behind, curl back in, and then press forward on that diagonal, driving into that upper back as well as our triceps. Let's get to it. Quickly meet me down on the ground, you guys, on all fours. You're going to take your hands on those weights, extend your right leg behind you, square your hips down. You're going to tap that toe, lift the leg, and then take a tricep push-up down. Exhale as you press back up. So you're working the glute, the hamstring, the core, and those arms and triceps. Breathe and roll out your wrist, you guys. We're heading into side two. So when you're ready, set yourself back up on those weights. This time the left leg extends back, square the hips. We tap the toe, lift, tricep push up, exhale as you lift. Maintaining our core, working the base of that booty. Here we go. All right, you guys, heading into some outer glute work. Take a seat on your left side. You're gonna take that weight and place it on top of your right thigh. Extend the leg straight, flex your heel. You're gonna slide the leg in line with the hip and then right back out to the side. Maintain your core here and make sure that inner thigh shines to the ground. Take a breather and flip yourself on over for side 2 of this outer glute work. Lay on down and place that weight on top of your left thigh. Leg is straight, flex the heel. We slide forward in line with the hip and then right back out to the side. Here we go. Breathe. Awesome. Lay on your back and grab both of those weights. You're going to take them in your hands. Feet are going to be wider than our hips. Weights pressed together. You're going to take a chest fly as your hips lift up. And then as you lower, you squeeze those weights back together right over the chest. So we're working the glutes as well as the chest and back. All right, place those weights on the crease of your hips and walk your feet a little bit wider, turn your toes out. You're gonna lift your hips into that bridge and we're taking a tiny press out into the outer thighs and the outer glutes. You can adjust your feet if you need to. You wanna feel this in those outer glutes and thighs. Grab back onto those weights and take your legs to tabletop. Arms are over the shoulder. We're going to take dead bug. So reach the right arm long with the left arm long, come through center, and then opposite arm, opposite leg. We're just alternating sides here, trying to maintain the deep muscles in our core and keep the back nice and flat. All right, final exercise, you guys. Start where you just finished. You're gonna take your toes and drop them down towards the ground as you take a little skull crusher through the weights, and then everything lifts back up through center. If it ever becomes too much on your core here, you can do this without the weights. Here we go. All right, you guys, give yourself a big round of applause. That is all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the workout. If you did, let me know in those comments. I absolutely love hearing from you. And if you want to support my channel, check out some of the links in the description of this video, and we will see you back next time.